For someone in the trade, I can tell you there is nothing better than buying and accumulating new tools. You might have heard about KINCROME's Tools for Life program, but I can tell you, when I completed my apprenticeship over 100 years ago, there was nothing like this kicking around. The KINCROME Tools for Life apprenticeship program has always assisted apprentices getting started in their careers. We've been doing this for 15 years. Across several of our most popular ranges, there are a huge range of toolkits to choose from. From the Contour and Evolution series through to our off-road field service toolkits, there are over 21 specialised kits in the Tools for Life program. Every toolkit features unique bonuses that are exclusively available to apprentices via redemption. The Contour range offers premium 6-point lock-on sockets, while the Evolution range features everyday 12-point sockets. For those always on the road, the off-road range provides the ultimate portability for your tools. Not only are these kits affordable and are designed specifically for your trade, but they're also supported by our 12-month free protection plan and payment plan. The KINCROME Tools for Life program is the perfect way to kickstart your career, and who doesn't love free tools? For more information, please see the KINCROME website.